Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok shop not showing in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your TikTok shop is not showing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go to your app store, and here just have on the search option here, and you just have to search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no pending update for your TikTok app. If you find this try to update your app, and once you update it, you have to go back and just retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to your TikTok app here, just tap on the profile option at the bottom right, then tap on three horizontal lines at the top right, tap on settings and privacy, and just select account. You just have to make sure that you are using public account, you are using any business account or a creator account. If you're using any personal account, so you are unable to use TikTok Shop. So once you have done, you can also try to clear cache. You go to your free up space section, tap on clear in front of cache. You can also try to clear downloads if you want. So it will clear bugs from your app. Once you have done, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed issue, so you can try to disable your restricted mode. Not to do that, so just select content preferences from here and just select restricted mode. You just have to make sure that your restricted mode is disabled. If you find it enabled, just try to disable this. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to log out from your account and re-log in. Just tap on the horizontal lines. Select settings and privacy. Select this logout option here. Tap on logout. Once you have logged out, you have to retry to log in with your same account. So just tap on the profile option, tap on login. You can also try to use your passkey if you want. So once you have re-logged in, it might be that your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to check your region, that in which region you're living, it supports your TikTok shop. If you might say that TikTok shop is not supported for your region, so you're unable to use TikTok Spot. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.